Nobody does concrete driveway replacement in Cumming, Georgia better than Driveway Pros. First, we demo and dispose of your old concrete driveway. Next, we fill any voids found under your old driveway while leveling in the best poured concrete foundation material. Then, using the highest quality concrete in the industry, we create perfectly aligned expansion joints to control all future cracks on your beautiful brand new concrete driveway. Get your free estimate now. Call Driveway Pros at 770-702-0772 or visit us online at concretedriveway.us.